Hello there, welcome, the warmest welcome. I'm Mark Nicholas. Today we're bringing you one of the most special games of one-day cricket you could ever imagine. An array of top-class players for your enjoyment. Sit back, relax. Well, having decided to bat, the key thing is to see off the new ball. There's some moisture in the surface, it could nip around off the seam, and the bowlers should dominate the first session. Survive the first session, I think it'll dry out, and then batsmen might have something to say.
Edged and safe. Batsman might get runs here. And that is an impressive shot. Got him. Yes, he's out. Cracking catch. That could change the course of the match. Hit straight to a fielder.
Oh, that's a beauty. What a hook stroke. It's a difficult shot to play that, but he kept it down and comfortably beat the fielder. Oh, great shot. A great stroke. That was four from the moment that it left the bat.
That over helped.